Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. It's been quite a year, hasn't it, Miss Pierce? I'm here with a good friend of mine. Say hi to the wonderful teacher, Jake.
Well, hi, Miss Pierce.
That's quite enough, Jake.
Okay.
We've studied many units throughout the course. The one that stuck with Jake and I both was physical and chemical properties. The seen and the unseen. Like a black panther as he stalks his prey throughout the night. But I digress. A chemical property is any characteristic that alters the composition of a form of matter. But a chemical change, on the other hand, is when one or more forms of matter are transformed into new kinds of matter with altered compositions. Like so.
An example of a chemical change is the mixture of baking soda and vinegar.
Physical properties have many different forms, like color, weight, mass, etc. But chemical properties, on the other hand, are a little different. Their chemical properties are like heat of combustion and toxicity. Heat of combustion is the amount of heat released when an element is completely combusted, 1 mole of the element to be precise. As you can see at the bottom, there's a formula. C3H8 plus 5O2 turns into 3CO2 plus 4H2O, which is equal to negative 2,202 kilojoules per mole squared.
Like Najee already said, a form of chemical change is flammability. This paper is on fire. A physical change is a little different, or in some cases, it's a lot different. A physical change is when the same form of matter undergoes a change that doesn't change its chemical composition. Like when you cut a piece of paper. Still paper, just smaller. Or right here. There's a difference between intensive and extensive physical changes as well. Intensive physical changes rely on the amount of matter present, like the paper I just cut. Intensive do not rely, like the boiling water. There could be 4 gallons or 2 milliliters of water, and it would always boil at 100 degrees Celsius.